Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you the Weld Cam. Does it work? I don't even know yet. Hey YouTube. Oh man, what are we doing today? Well, it's late as usual. I'm getting a little bit of a late start. I had some work to do this morning, and then I don't know. Then I got pulled into a end of semester celebration. I had to go feed the boys food. I don't know. We feed them every day, but apparently because it was the end of their school semester, I had to feed them extra. I don't know. Anyway, I do have a little bit of an experiment I want to do. I know this is going to be probably kind of boring to most of you, because this is a kind of a technical thing with the making of the videos. And what I want to do is I want to see about using my little GoPro. I got this little GoPro. This is a 7, Hero 7, Black 7, whatever it is. And you can see there. Hi. Anyway. I want to make videos that, I do a lot of welding, and I'd like to have a weld cam. I don't know, I just made that up. But it would be nice to occasionally, usually I'm backed way out because I don't really want to burn up the whodamit on the regular camera, because I don't know if it's good for it. My suspicion is that arc light's probably not good for the, what do they call that? The name of it's escaping me, and it doesn't matter. But anyway, but I don't mind. It would be nice to rig up another camera, and I don't see it anyway. My hope is I have plenty of dark lenses that I'm thinking would be kind of neat if we could somehow rig a way to attach them to the Hero, so that while I'm welding, we can get a little tight shot welding on, and then you can actually see what I'm doing. Not that watching me weld is of any particular, it's not like watching some master at work, but at least then you can sit back in the comfort of your home going, oh, that's how he made that one look like that, or what, that kind of stuff. And, you can sit there and go, oh, that's how come he has bubbles and porosity in his weld. So, anyway, I'm not really sure what we're doing. So, but that's what I want to try. And so what I think I'm going to do is stare at this for a little bit and wait for inspiration to come to me. And then we'll fabricable something together. Let's get started. All right, what did I do? Well, what did I do? I came up with, well, I gave up, actually. I got to thinking, somebody's probably already had this problem, so I went on and I found someone that had created this piece on the internet for 3D print, and like all 3D printed items, it doesn't fit. It's like it's just not quite. So I'm going to see if I can't, you know, trim this down and clean it up and see if I can get it to fit. But ideally what it's supposed to do is hold, it's supposed to clip here, and then there's a slot, and I got to take all this excess material out, this the bridging, take it all out, and it's too small. I know it's too skinny because this is a lens, and a lens is a little thick, so we're going to have to make it a little bit bigger. But yeah, let's see if I can get in there and at least, let's start with one challenge at a time. Let's see if we can get it to fit on the camera first. Not going to lie, it almost feels like cheating. Yeah, that is just... It is just a big no. Ladies and gentlemen, I think I have brought you a failure. It just simply does not fit. I have sanded and ground and stuff on this, and I have literally sanded through and into the structure of it, into the fill, and then even on top of that, I can't. It's sort of like it's almost there, but even if it were, my lens won't fit in that groove. I'm going to have to start over. All right, people. So this is the first one I printed, and it didn't even come close to fitting. So I reprinted it, and I scaled it. You can see it's a lot bigger than the first one I made. This is fresh right off the 3D printer. I scaled it. This is printed like this on the plating like this. So I scaled it 150% this way in the X, or on the Z, and then X and Y at 105%. So we're going to see if this actually fits. So here's our little GoPro, and let's see, this fits this direction. Hopefully it's not too loose. It's not too loose. Is it gonna go? Ho ho! Oh, look at that. Well, that way fits beautifully. I'm liking that. Let's get the supports out of there. Come on. Oh, let's see if I can get it off. That'd be embarrassing. There we go. All right. Let's see if I can get the supports picked out of here. Just dig them out. I'm going to keep picking at this, and hopefully it doesn't split apart, because it's entirely possible that while I'm digging at this, it'll split right along here in one of these layers. So I'm just going to I'm just going to do this on my own, and if it explodes, I'll let you know. Worked great. This is this little groove is just a little too narrow for the thickness of this glass, and I'm really scared. I'm a little I'm apprehensive about just shoving it in. But if I reprint it, I can go just a little, add a few percentage points to its height, and it would work. But see, that's really snug. I'm surprised it hasn't popped loose already, actually. Let's see if I can get it in far enough so that we can at least try it and see if it even works. See? I know it's not perfect, but let's see if it'll shoot a video. All right, that's the weld I just made. There's our little filter adapter. I'm going to print another one that's a little bit thicker that'll hold that lens better. And yeah, hopefully it works. I may not even bother. We don't even know if it worked. So let's take a look at the footage, and however it turned out, it's however it turned out. And until next time, bye. Oh, that's in there, but good. I wonder if they sabotage these things on purpose.